Hi guys, welcome, week 14. Week 14, we're at Jumbles Country Park, one of the two, county or country. Never been before, it's in Bolton.
It's not county, it's not going to be a county park.
Why are you being so mean?
It's going to be consistent.
That's so brutal, we've only just started, first 3 steps. Yeah, this place has come highly recommended. We don't really venture to Bolton, and now we have. In 14 weeks, this is our 3rd reservoir. There's clearly a lot of reservoirs around us.
I'm in the reservoir.
Wow. I'm gonna get in the reservoir. I'm in the reservoir. Exciting. Jumbles is a good one, a really good one. Would recommend. Awesome. Yep. It is.
It's very good here, you should come.
Now you've got both of us, I suppose. What's she like? We've made it back to the end. Week 14 done. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. We'll see you next time. God bless.